Good morning, students of Class 9. In today's online class, we will learn about operators in Java. Variables and constant helps you to store information in Java programming. This all of you know, right? Operators specify the type of calculation you want to perform on operands or on variables and constants. In a simple words, an operator in a Java is a symbol that performs certain operations on one or more operands to produce a result. Mostly we have three types of operators: unary operator, binary operator and ternary operator. A unary operator take one operand like -10 or ++x. -10 indicates you have to decrement the value of 10 and ++x indicates that you have to increment the value of x. These operators mostly use whenever you are performing iterations in your programming. Second, we have binary operator. A binary operator take two operands like a plus b or x modulus y. Third, we have ternary operator. Ternary operator takes three operands like x greater than y. In that case, you have a condition. If the value of x is greater than y, then the value of x will execute. Otherwise, the value of y will execute. Java operators falls into the various categories like assignment operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, conditional operator, and so on. First, we will consider your assignment operator. Assignment operators are mostly used to assign the value to a variable. Syntax of the assignment operator is variable, then you have to use assignment operator and then expression. Take the example for the primitive value x equal to 2. Here 2 is assigned to a variable x. In reference operator, first f1 equal to new first indicates that you are creating a new object. First f2 equal to f1, this indicates assigning the reference of f1 in f2. Next we have arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are used to create mathematical expression. These operands are of numeric type. Java provides operators that perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division as in basic mathematics. Mostly we have addition for plus sign. Now see, consider the first example. Plus sign is used for addition also and concatenation also. Here the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 2. When we perform addition on it, then your output will be 12. And when you are going to perform concatenation on it, concatenation means joining two variables. Then your output will be AB. Subtraction, multiplication and division, all of you are familiar with it. We have the last one, that is modulus. Modulus operators helps you to return the remainder. Like if we have the value c equal to 10 modulus 2, all of you know that 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. When you will divide 10 divided by 2, your remainder will be 0. Next we have unary operators. Unary operators require or take only one operand. They perform various operations like incrementing the values or decrementing the values, or you can also perform negating an expression or inverting the values of a Boolean expression. Here we introduce the concept of prefix and postfix. Prefix operator helps you to increment the value first and then execute the value. First the value is get incremented and then it get executed. In the case of postfix, the value is executed first and then the value is incremented or decremented. Relational operators evaluate comparison between two operands or expressions. These are all binary operators and they establish relationship between two operands. There are 6 relational operators supported by Java, that is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to. And you always get the output in the form of true or false. Let's consider the first one, equal to. Now see here, 17 equal to 15. Because the value of 17 is not equal to 15, so your result is false. Second, not equal to, 30 is not equal to 25. This is true that the value of 30 is not equal to 25, so your result is true. Similarly, greater than and less than. Next we have greater than or equal to. Here the value is supposed to be either greater than or it's supposed to be equal to. Now 36 is equal to 36. This is the reason that the result is true. Less than or equal to, 2 less than equal to 3. Now 2 is not less than 3, neither it's equal to 3. So your result is false. Logical operators are used along with relational expressions or condition to combine them. Java provides following logical operators, that is not, and, or, and XOR. Out of these, not is a unary operator and requires a single relational expression, and rest are binary operators and require two relational expressions as operands. It means and, or, XOR are used in between two relational expression, whether used with one or two operands, and here also you will get the result in the form of true or false. Take a rough idea. Not operator reverse the expression value. For example, if the output is supposed to be true, then it will reverse the output and it will automatically become false. And operator, in that case, the output is true if both expressions are true. In OR operator, out of two, at least one operator supposed to be true. And in XOR, the output is true only if one expression is true, false, if both expressions are true. Which means that if both expressions are false, then only the output is true, otherwise the output remains false only. Or if out of two, one operator is true. First we have logical not operator. As I had told you, logical not operator inverts the value of relational operator. In that case, if the condition is true, then the result will be false. Consider the example 28 equal to 28. 28 and 28 both values are equal to each other, but your result is false because it used to inverse the value of the relational expression. Second we have 5 less than equal to 2. Now 5 is not less than 2, neither it's equal to 2. Condition is false, the result is true. Next, logical AND operator. The logical operator or logical AND operator is a binary operator and is used to evaluate two expressions and obtain a single result in the form of true or false. The operator AND performs the Boolean logical operation AND in Java. The result of AND operation is true if both expressions are true. In other case, the expression or result is false. Normally, first expression is evaluated first, and if the result is true, then only the next expression is evaluated. Let's consider the first one. 15 equal to 15 and 10 is greater than 5. Both expressions are true, so your result is true. In the second one, 39 is greater than 20, but 13 is less than 5. First expression is true and the second expression is false. Similarly, both expressions are supposed to be true, then only the result is true, otherwise the result is false. Next, logical OR operator. The logical OR operator is also a binary operator, and it works just like logical AND operator. It is used to evaluate two expressions and obtain single result in the form of true or false. It performs Boolean logical OR operator in Java. The result of OR operator is true if any one of its two expressions are true. If both expressions are false, then only the result is false, otherwise it remains true. Normally, first expression is evaluated, and if the result is true, then the next is not evaluated. Consider the example 10 equal to 2 and 10 greater than 5. Here both expressions are true, so your result is also true. In the second expression, 9 is less than 33 or 3 is greater than 15. Here your first expression is true but your second expression is false. Your result remains true only. It's simple that out of two expressions, one expression is supposed to be true, or one expression is true, then the result is true. If both are true, then the result is true, otherwise it remains false. Next is compound assignment operator. Compound assignment operator are the combination of assignment operator and another operator such as arithmetic operator. They are also known as shorthand assignment operator. These operators modify the value of a variable by performing an operations on the value currently stored in that variable. These all are binary operator. Consider the first one, val plus equal to increase. It is same as val equal to val plus increase. Last we have ternary operator or conditional operator. The conditional operator is a ternary operator, which means that is accept three operands for correct evaluation. This operator first evaluates an expression resulting in a value. If that value is true, then expression 1 is evaluated, and if the expression result is false, then expression 2 is evaluated. Consider the example. First, 10 equal to 15. Condition 5 multiplied by x. In that case, if the value of 10 is equal to 15, the 5 is going to be multiplied by the value of x. Otherwise, 10 is going to be added with the value of y. Similarly, consider the second example. 17 greater than 5 plus 2, condition 10 or 2. Here result is 10 since 17 is greater than 5 plus 2. Second one, x greater than 50. In that case, if the value of x is greater than 50, then the result is pass. Otherwise, the result is fail. Thank you.